Okay, so for this session, we are starting with memory. We want to enhance our memory, and the question is how many words can we remember? So the game we are going to play challenges us to process 15 words in 30 seconds. Okay, but for exam like the LBS for exam like the LBS test, the math questions we have, you are given 30 math questions. You see, you are given 30 math questions. But now, if we play a game like if you play this game and you can remember 5 words or process 5 words in 30 seconds, that means in 1 minute you can process 10, and in 1 hour you can process 600. In 2 hours of focused learning, you can process 1,200 concepts. And if you do it that way, and since the LBS exam is heavy on how many of the question bank you can remember, you can see that 2 hours of intensive prep, 2 hours of intensive prep, you will have covered more than 1,200 questions, and all the questions are not up to 1,000. So thinking about it that way gives you a lot of advantage. Now, what we are going to do is I'm going to click on start, and when I click on start, we pause. No, not we pause. The words will pop up. 15 words will pop up, and after the 15 words pop up, we try to see how many we can recall. And I'm encouraging you to at least remember 5 out of the 15, or you can remember up to 10. Are you ready? Start recording. I'm doing my own now, so do your own. See, you I'm not giving you the answer. No, now. So are you looking at my own answer? See, hey, you think I don't wait. You just really want me to fail woefully here. First, that question you asked me earlier, I forgot all that I remembered. Okay, see, everyone wants his memory to be working, including my own. Yes, because so we are saying it. You will see that we are going to get entirely different. We are going to get entirely different words. Okay. Yes, of course we are going to do. Yeah. Okay. Okay, but yes. We can. But let's also after each time we can check the answer. Okay, we can always check. Yes, we can always check the check the answer. So these are the answers. So what I did, let me just tell you what I did. So I'm not going to I'm not going to focus on getting up the 15. From what I explained earlier, if you can process 5 words in 30 seconds, you can process 10 in 1 minute. Your memory is already super. And if you now have a 1 hour focus study, but 1 hour focus study might also not be there. Maybe it's something you split into 30 minutes or 15 minutes at different time. And also in 1 hour, you are going to process 600 because there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 60 times 10 is 600. And 2 hours of intensive focus, you will have covered all the questions that are needed. Okay. So for me, I will think about it this way. Even if I can remember 5, so I will think I have tried. But you see that I was able to get 6. Now, when you see when the words start coming, so some of them are related, like pick and Mose and Rose. So how close they were. But if you want to remember more, of course you can do much more. Okay, why I was also writing it is to assure you that I don't have the answers anywhere. I didn't write them and I'm not calling. Okay, but now I'm not going to write. Maybe I will wait for you to call the answers. But try, in the worst case scenario, get at least 5. Okay, play again. Start. Are you ready? Oh, try. Yeah, no, call it. Okay. 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 All right, but that is up to 5, right? Okay. Yeah, you see, I was also writing my own. I used blue pen so that it will not be obvious. I wrote whole, payment, lot, advertisement, name, name space, warm, warm bed. Yes. Yeah, let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So up to 8. Okay, fine. Because also, namespace is the name of my my domain company. So I know namespace. So I kind of okay, fine. We are not going to play more. I'm only assuring you that with a good focus, the the brain can actually remember. That is all. Okay, now we are done with this. So number 1 is 380. These are questions that have appeared in the past. Not all the questions, at least some of them. The second one is 128. The next question here is 8, then 9. Number 8, the answer is 495. Number 9, the answer is 0.2. Number 12, the answer is only 5 can make this, and the answer is B. Next is number 12. Haven't we done number 12? Okay, number 12, yeah. No, for number 12, we are jumping up, down to 20. So this is number 20. For this number 20, the answer is 5. I'm not explaining anything. This is something similar to, if I have time, I can actually code this so that it can pop up like the HQ. But that is not, coding it is not a problem, right? With all the sophisticated software these days, so it's not a problem. The harder thing is getting the mind to focus, getting the mind to, let's say, to remember, to memorize. So the next question here is number 21. So yeah, number 21 is included. Number 21 had appeared before. So let's see, what is number 21? Number 21 is 500%. Okay, and the next one is number 21, that is 26. Okay, this is number 26. What is 26 again? 25, 26. Let's see. What is 26? Remember that I'm not solving this question now. It's based on kind of what I can remember too. Okay, so number 26. 26, that is also 25. 26, the answer is 1. How about 25? Is 25 here? So what is 25? I'm checking. Number 25, the answer is 15. Remember to focus on the actual answers, not the, let's say that 25 is A. Of course, they're not going to use this numbering. The next question that appeared here is number 31. And number 31, the answer is the answer is 10395. 10395. Okay. 10395. The next one is 10395. Yes, 10395. So now the next question here is 38. 38, when we solve it, the answer is 24. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Yeah. Let's quickly do this, please. Yes, I think it's 24. Because I'm not sure. Let's quickly do it. This square root 16 is common. So 20 is remaining here. 32 divided by 16 is 2. So 2 times 8 is 16. Now we are left with the square root of 16. The square root of 16 times 20 plus 16 is 36. Okay, the square root of 16 is 4 times the square root of 36. The square root of 36 is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So that is correct too. The next question that appears here is number 38. Number 38. For number 38, yeah, for number 38, yeah, I can't remember again with the one that is correct. If Juan takes 11 seconds to run y yards, 11 seconds y yards, the next part of it will be how many seconds will it take him to run s yards? How many seconds? Let's put it as z to run s yards. So we are looking for z. If we cross multiply, remember 11s equals yz. so we are looking for z. So z equals 11s over y. Where is 11s over y here? That is number A. Okay, that is number A. But even as that, let me also confirm. Let me also confirm that is the answer is A. That is question number. I've even forgotten the question now. Okay, 38. Thank you so much. So question number 38. 38. Where is 38? So question number 38. So the answer is A. Is there? So the answer is A. Let's go now. The next question here is 40, then 49. 40 and then 49. Okay. Assuming you don't even have time, you are just taking the questions and answers. So 40 here is A, and 40 here is A, and 49 is C. But remembering A and C will not really be effective, will not be that effective. It is better we remember the actual answers. Okay, the actual answers 40 and 49. So let's go to 40 then 49. Remember there we got is A and C, but yeah, I suppose be able to remember what is the lowest positive integer that is divisible by each of the integer. Of course it's 420. 420 is correct. 420, that is A. That's also the A we found. That's the answer that we saw there. The last one now is 49. From the list of the questions that had been repeated at least once before. Okay, so questions that are repeated before, they have higher chances of repeating again. But for this session, my focus is let's exercise our memory. So for this number 49, 520, yes, 520 is correct. I can remember this question. Okay, so this video will be this session, the recording of this session will be made available. What I want from everyone now is go and watch this several times. All right, I'm about to leave you, so I want you to watch this. Just stay committed to this. Let me know how it goes. Since you'll be coming back towards the evening, we can meet at 8. Hello? No. We might not meet. Okay, we might not meet. I'm just telling you what we work. Yes, I'm just telling you what we work. Rest. Cognitive work is hard. It's hard, right? Just rest. After some time, watch this video. It's not very long, so watch it again. After you have watched it, so after you have watched it, then go and answer the questions, right? So go back to the test and answer the questions. It might be very, very helpful to go to the to use the mini test. Okay, so next, go to GMAT-questions.age1.app. I think this could be the only website that is dedicated to that book that was given to you. All the questions in that book, all the questions are here, from the pre-test, from the diagnostic test to the problem solving, to data sufficiency, to verbal practice, to the verbal practice. You see, in the verbal practice, we have reading comprehension, we have sentence correction, we have critical reasoning. All the practice are here. This particular website, I did this website just dedicated for ABS entrance test. Now, what we now do after watching this video is to come back, go to this website, gmatquestions.age1.app, and go to what we did. All the question we mentioned here. Now, you see the open set 1. This set 1, the problem set 1 is contained from question 1 to 30, and set 2 contains from question 31 to 60. Let's just open set 2 and practice the questions that were there. So we have 31, 38, 40, and 49. So let's go to, let it load, and we can go to question number, so we can go to question number, so we can go to question number 31, 38, 40, 49. I think it's very slow, and I know the reason. The reason is this app, is this browser that is causing it. Okay, so let me copy this. Let me see if this we can copy. Is it copying? Let me see whether this can copy. So that, yes, copy. Yeah, let me send it to, okay, but it had opened finally. It had opened. So from that 1 to 60, let's just go to the ones. Let's another browser that already opened. I think I would prefer to. I prefer to do it here. This seems to be faster. First, okay, go. And so question number 31. You go back and test your memory. Question number 31. The answer is B. Right. The next question here is 38. So I'm going to 38. I will ask you. I will ask you to choose number 38. Oh, why didn't this one appear? Number 35. Okay. Number 38. Oh, this number 38. So there is a mix up here, because this number 38 is supposed to have appeared the other place, which is 11 over y. And what's supposed to be question number 38 is now supposed to be this. Okay, remember the answer here is 24. How about question 40 and 49? What is the lowest positive integer that is divisible by each of these? I think there is a mix up here, but this question is also included, this number 40. And the answer is 420. And what is 49? 49 is, yeah, yes, 49 is part of it. What is the answer of this one? Number 49. Are you seeing my screen? Can you pick the answer for 49? But no, we did it. Yes, you see the same video. So the answer is 520. And each time, the ones you didn't get, when you submit the answer, you know that we practice 5 questions now, and I was able to get them. I'm talking about memory. Then when you submit the answers, you can now you can get the explanation. Yeah, this is the explanation for question number 31. So you can get the explanation. So what matters now is that you practice this. All right. When we meet, we can chat. I know that we might not meet you Wednesday, but let me know how it is going. Then I will share with you. Later. I'm going to put this on everyone. Maybe watching this video. If you have watched this video, if you have done this, if you are done with this, you let me know. I will tell you all the questions that have been repeated in data sufficiency. I will send to you, or I send a video on that. I'm probably not going to do another video until at least I get one response or one comment that have watched this. You can use the comment section. Of course, what I'm going to send you is the YouTube link, the YouTube link of this. So thank you for joining me, and I look forward to hearing from you.
All right.
Yeah, welcome. Yes, I sent it. I sent it today. No. Yes, earlier in the session.
Okay.
Okay.